We are pleased to show you the 2025 KONA. The Hyundai KONA provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice activated navigation system, rear view camera. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.